In chapter 1, we discussed feelings and how important it is for us to communicate in our dialogue using feelings and all the benefits from it. But now I want to go deeper. So it's important to practice it, and once you practice it, you might come up with some thoughts, and you really need to reflect on those. Maybe you think, you know what, in the workplace, we shouldn't use feelings. But actually, again, all the studies show that when we use feelings as part of our communication inside of the workplace, it's much easier to arrive at a strategy that works for everybody. So the evidence shows that feelings is important. The next misconception you might have is that expressing your feelings or just feelings in general are irrational. Regardless of the logic on that one, it's really important to reflect that as children and as adults, we follow our feelings. It's not always about making a logical decision. It's about making a decision that is based on our feelings. So if we understand our own feelings and other people understand them, actually we can come to a solution for any problem much, much easier. So another misconception, and as a man in this world, I was taught not to be vulnerable, not to express my weakness, because feelings can traditionally be seen as weakness. But again, I've expressed to you why they're not weak. On top of that, by telling you my vulnerabilities, by connecting you and showing you my flaws and my armor, you're actually more likely to connect to me, more likely to understand me, more likely to respect me. So actually, communicating feelings builds a really strong bridge of respect and understanding. And that's one of the big things that we want to focus on, not only with the kids, but with your peers, but with your employer, really with everybody. It's also very important that we express not only negative emotions, but the positive emotions. Being able to express the good things about what's going on really will lead to a better relationship with you and the child, or you and another adult. I'll give you an example we do here at Empathy School. So every Thursday morning, all of the teachers gather together to do a gratitude and celebration and appreciation of each other. We have many little games, and what they do is they utilize these games to appreciate each other, to tell each other, thank you for this very specific thing that you did. And you know what? It builds an incredibly strong team, because then everyone feels valued from the other person. So just expressing feelings and the reason behind it can accomplish so much, and that's why this is the right strategy.